Good day, Dacians. This is Teacher Cristel and welcome to our class on Mathematics 1, Episode 13. Let's enjoy and watch this lesson video. We will talk about equivalent groups. When we say equivalent, these are groups of pictures or images that are equal in numbers. Let's take a look on the following pictures. We have marbles, oranges, apples, and balloons. Let us count the collections of each group. We have 5, 10, 15, and 20 marbles. We also have 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20 oranges. We also have 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25 apples. And lastly, we have 10 and 20 balloons. What groups have the same number of objects? We have marbles, oranges, and balloons. The groups made the following: 5 groups of 4, 4 groups of 5, and 2 groups of 10, which is equal to 20. They are equal or equivalent. When we say equivalent, these are groups with the same number of elements, or they are equal in number. Let's try to solve the following group of numbers. How many are 2 groups of 9? So we need to skip count by 9. So we have 9, 18. So the answer is 18. How many are 4 groups of 10? So we need to skip count by 10 until its 4th term. So we have 10, 20, 30, and 40. So the final answer is 40.